So just a quick video, another item review. So today we have a jump starter in front of us. We had a GP 4000 jump starter by Gooloo. I don't know if I said that right, but we make a previous video of it inflating some tires. Definitely check that out if you know how to check it out. So today we're just going to do a specific item review. So again, this is the Gooloo GP 4000. So this is what it looked like. One of the new lithium ion jump boxes, stronger than lead acid jump boxes. Here you see some details about it. Battery capacity 88 watts, starting current 800 amps, peak current 4000 amps. So not a bad little jump starter, very strong. As I say, I used it a couple times already, and again, I don't recommend nothing. I make no video about nothing that me wouldn't use myself. So very simple design. This side here is where you put your jumper cables, as stated right there. You plug in your jumper cables. Make sure if you do that in a minute. This is your power button. So once you jump in the vehicle or getting ready to jump the vehicle, you would press your power button so you can send current to whatever you're jumping. Very simple. Over here is where you would put your 12 volt plug. Make sure if you do that in a second. And then on the front here, you have a little flashlight. You have your inlet T type C for your charging, and then you have two USB, one fast and one normal, I guess you can say. So flashlight is very bright. It's daytime right now, so can't really show you that, but I'll go ahead and show you how to use your attachment thems, and then let me show you what come inside of this when you buy it. So nice little carrying case, don't take up a lot of space. You have your jumper cables, the wires for what they are, compared to one or two that I used before. They look a bit more solid. You get your charger, and then you get your 12 volt attachment. So let me go ahead and show you how you'd put those in. So over here, the 12 volt attachment, very simple. Forgive me, some you only have one hand, but even still, as you can see, very simple, not too easy not too hard for plug in, and then output 15 volts, 10 amps. So you can't put nothing too crazy. I wouldn't recommend that you put any type of crazy inverter, 12 volt inverter, and hook that up. I mean, for this, me use like a 12 volt tire inflator, so I think you'll be safe with any local 12 volt cigarette lighter attachment piece. And again, when you plug this in and you want to operate it, once you have this plugged in and everything hooked up for what you're going to use, you just press that power button and power goes right to it, and then it start operating whatever you need to be operating. And again, I would definitely say, to be safe, no surprise like anything that uses more than 12 volts, just to be safe, you know. So over here for the jumper cables, you see the shape of that, so that basically tells you. So I'm plugging like that, and I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down for a second and use my two hands to go ahead and plug that in. So once you have that plugged in, you see your lights turn on, so they're ready for jump, right? So one key thing why me get this one, a lot of the jump starter them, they cannot jump a completely dead battery. So that's why a lot of people still like the lead acid battery jump starters, because you just put them on and then go for go. But this is one of the few systems that have something called a boost. So this basically enables this jump box to jump a completely dead battery. So what you would do, same thing, you see that on there, make sure your power button lights up, and what you do once you have it connected, you press that boost button, and it basically bypasses the system and giving it some reference voltage or whatever that voltage is called, so you can do the boost a completely dead battery. And also with these cables, the nice thing is it tells you if you have a correct connection or reverse connection, which can cause a lot of damage, because a lot of people sometimes they will hook up the wires incorrectly and that can mess up your car. So like that, they have that built-in system right there, sir. So again, very simple, power button. If you have a completely dead battery, nice feature if you have that boost and get you on your way. You can fit this in a glove box, any little small area in your vehicle. And again, the science behind these things are very amazing. This little small box is stronger than my heavier jump box than what me had before. And even when I use this, for say use my tire inflator versus my old lead one, the sound of the motor, everything is stronger, is longer and is faster. With my old jump box, it used to take me like 15 to 20 minutes for inflate a tire. With this, the way it pushes the tire inflator, it honestly take you about like 10 minutes. So it definitely make a difference. Would definitely recommend this for a jump box that you can carry easily in anywhere you carry. It don't take up much space, you know, heavy at all. And as I say, it's definitely stronger than any lead acid battery drum starter may have had before. So definitely recommend this. Me leave you a link down in the description below, but definitely check it out. And again, one very important thing, you want to make sure if you don't get this one, make sure you find one that has a boost on it, because as I say, a lot of these, if you car battery and the thing is dead, you want something that can basically bypass that system and give you some kind of voltage if you kick it on so you can jump your battery. So again, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Check out the description below if you're interested, and big up on yourself, man. All right.